In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments in Notion. If you're someone who uses Notion for personal projects or even for team collaboration, you know how handy it can be to have a clean, distraction-free environment. Sometimes you may want to limit or completely turn off comments on a page to maintain that focus or simply to keep things tidy. So, let's dive right in and walk through how you can do this effortlessly. First, you need to open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to disable comments. This could be any page within your workspace that you feel requires a little more privacy or less clutter. Once you're on the page, take a moment to ensure it's the correct one, as these changes will be specific to the page you're currently working on. Next, look to the top right corner of your page. You'll find three little dots arranged vertically, often referred to as the ellipsis menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for customizing your page. From here, you'll want to select the Customize Page option. This is where you can change various settings related to how your page functions and what kind of interactions are permitted. Now that you've accessed the custom settings for your page, you should see an option labeled Page Discussions. This is the feature that controls whether comments will be active or not. To disable comments, you simply need to toggle this option off. By turning off page discussions, you effectively stop any further comments from being added to this page. Just like that, you're on your way to having a clutter-free environment. Let's recap what we've done so far. You accessed your desired page in Notion, clicked on the ellipsis menu at the top right to open up the customization options, and then turned off page discussions. It's that simple. And with these few clicks, you can make sure that your workspace remains organized, allowing you to concentrate on what matters most. Now, a quick tip before we wrap up. If you find yourself needing to toggle comments on and off frequently for different pages, it might be helpful to keep notes or reminders about which pages need comments enabled or disabled as your projects evolve. This way, you maintain a smooth workflow and avoid unnecessary disruptions. And that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you can easily control the commenting activity within your Notion pages to suit your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a more focused and efficient workspace on Notion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.